Want to build your own software business without knowing a single line of code? Thanks to AI and no-code tools, creating a money-making SaaS in 2025 is easier and cheaper than ever. Here's exactly how to do it in 5 simple steps. Start with a niche problem. Think freelancers tracking client hours, coaches scheduling calls, or online sellers managing returns. Browse Reddit, Twitter, or indie hacker forums to see what people complain about. That's where SaaS gold lives. Now, open ChatGPT and ask it to map out the core features of your tool. Let's say you're building a digital planner for solopreneurs. Ask ChatGPT to define the features, layout, user flow, and even onboarding copy. Boom! Your product roadmap, done. Use platforms like Glide, Bubble, or Softer to bring it to life, no coding required. Most of these tools have drag-and-drop editors and free templates. You can build a working app or dashboard in just a weekend. Now it's time to launch. Use ChatGPT to generate your website copy, emails, and blog posts. Use Pictory to make promo videos, and Leonardo AI or Canva for slick visuals. You can even build your landing page with Card or TypeDream. Add Stripe for payments and launch your SaaS as a freemium or one-time purchase. You can list it on Product Hunt, Reddit, Gumroad, or even pitch it to influencers. Keep improving it based on user feedback. Before you know it, you've got a real business generating real money. Like this kind of smart hustle? Hit subscribe for more no-code, AI-powered money moves every week. This is Daily Smart Hustle. Work smart, not more.